Noise. And I present to all of you, La D. It's the comeback right here. It's me again.
Kid Noise and La D. It's the rebirth of the same old kid. Still spitting, yeah, no shit. Closed doors now seem to be open. Ice cold lyrics keep me frozen. Sour diesel flow is still potent, but I stopped smoking. Even with that little fact, I'm still the dopest. Spitting crack on every track, gotta stay focused. Stunting with the team, running up in the scene. Do it all for my dream, do it all for my team. They know the real me, see? Believe me or not, this ain't Ripley's. Serious ass kid in the booth, but quite silly. Yeah, really, in a cypher they never skip me. Motherfuckers always pick me. Spit deadly, you can never kill me. I used to pop pills, see? Now I pop bitches that feel me. Always keep it real, see? You can never kill me, just in case you were thinking. I could give a fuck what you say. Sitting and rapping all day. With the dream, with the dream, with the team, with the team, with the scheme, with the scheme. Finna make it big in the scene. I could give a fuck what you say. Spitting and rapping all day. With the dream, with the dream, with the team, with the team, with the scheme, finna make it big in the scene.
Cada historia hay una verdad oculta, por eso mentirle resulta algo fácil, puta. Te dirán que eres bueno, pero en verdad ¿cuántos de ellos culparon lo que dijeron? Con una mancha de sangre en la pared y una bala. Así el estilo actúa por las calles secundarias, acechando, enganchando Sancho. Chúpame los huevos, de nuevo en el muestreo. Fraseo y fraseo, cojo tu ego y lo meto en fuego. Con los ojos ardiendo, vivo en la esquina del diablo. Con ojos como adornos, Drácula contra Van Helsing. El swing del pencil, poderoso como Senki. Vete de aquí, mono de maniquís. Así es, 10 sobresalientes sobre sus dientes, diamantes del backstage. Ay güey, subiendo los niveles, cobrando intereses, más weed.
I could give a fuck what you say. Sitting and rapping all day. With the dream, with the dream, with the team, with the team, with the scheme, with the scheme. Finna make it big in the scene. I could give a fuck what you say. Spitting and rapping all day. With the dream, with the dream, with the team, with the team, with the scheme, finna make it big in the scene.
No quiero alarmarte con lo que digo, pero la verdad es que tú no eres mi amigo. Maldito marica de circo, en el medio crónico critico. Me importa un culo, he buscado y lo he conseguido. A ti te he prestado lo que no has tenido, y es prestigio, estilo, castigo, tombría con ritmos. No me creo el mejor, pero ya sabes, siempre único, con mi sólido sonido.
Rap so pleasant, so I hit him with a second. So please get the message, it's the rap menace. Feel the presence as I'm spitting bars. See me getting far, living it way too large. Haters, I'm doing harm to your self-confidence and ego. Dope bars and beats, we need those. Gon' give you all that in 3 floats. And watch how the green grows, the rebirth means the dream. Everything I do with the team and $1 million scheme. Can't forget my hometown, I hope they know now. Without them I have no sound. The comeback, I'm ready to go now. I could give a fuck what you say. Spitting and rapping all day. With the dream, with the dream, with the team, with the team, with the scheme, finna make it big in the scene. Yeah, Kid Noise y La D, bringing you the most dopest quality of music. Noisemaker, don't you underestimate us.